Okay, so we are trying to solve a problem which appeared in JEE Main 2018. In this question, what we have been given is that alpha and beta are two distinct roots of the equation x square minus x plus 1 equals to 0. And we are supposed to find the value of alpha to the power 101 and beta raised to the power 107. So we have to sum it up. And then whenever we have been given such equation and a quadratic equation is given, we should try to solve it and assign one of the roots to alpha, another to the beta. So that is what we will do here. So what we have got is x square minus x plus 1 equals to 0. And if I solve this, what I'll get is x, and then this will be minus b, which will become plus 1, plus minus b square, which is minus 1 whole squared, minus 4ac minus 4 into 1 into 1, upon 2a, which is 2 into 1. Then I get 1 plus minus b square, 1 minus 4 upon 2, and then I get 1 plus minus, I could write it as minus 3 or root 3i upon 2. If I look at this very, very closely, if I and also remember the cube roots of unity, we remember that omega is actually written as um, minus 1 plus root 3i by 2, and omega square is written as minus 1 minus root 3i by 2. While I look at here, I can say that my alpha is actually equal to 1 plus root 3i by 2, and then beta is actually equal to, my beta is actually 1 plus root 3. So 1 minus root 3i, one of the other ones. So 1 minus root 3i by 2. And now if I compare with these two, right, what can I say? That alpha is nothing but minus omega square. We can say that this is actually equal to minus omega square. And beta is actually equal to minus omega. So you can take minus common and this will become this itself. Now it is easier to work with omega square because we know a lot of properties of it. So we'll try to evaluate the value of alpha raised to the power 101 plus beta raised to the power 107. So I could write this as minus omega square raised to the power 101 plus minus omega raised to the power 107. Now I could write it as minus itself, minus omega raised to the power 202, and this will be minus omega raised to the power 107. And also we know one property that omega cube is actually equal to 1. So we will try to simplify this because omega cube is 1. So I'll try to write it in the power of 3. So I'll divide 202 with 3 and get this is 18 and then 21. So what I get is I could write it as 202 as 3 into 67 plus 1. So I'll change this to minus omega raised to the power 3 to the power 7, 3 into 67 into omega raised to the power 1. And similarly, 107 as well, we will try to reduce this and then we will divide it by 3. So 3 3s are 9 and then 1 and 7, 3 5s are 15. And then we will left with 2. So we can write it as minus omega raised to the power 3 raised to the power 35 into omega to the power 2. Now, this will become omega raised to the power 3 will become 1 raised to the power 16 into omega minus 1 raised to the power 35 into omega square. So this will become 1 and this omega. So this will become minus omega square. Now we also know another property that 1 plus omega square is actually equal to 0. So I could say that 1 is actually equal to minus omega square. So this is gonna be equal to 1, and that is what is my answer. So D is what is my answer here. And one thing which we should remember, try to use it, is that what is omega and omega square? If we remember this, right, we should be able to do a lot of questions. Many times this is not directly given that this is omega or omega square, as you can see in this question. And then we have to see this closely, right? And then understand that something is actually written in terms of omega or omega square. And then try to make use of the properties. All right. So yeah, that's all about this question. If you have any other questions or doubts, please do ask me in the comment section below, and I'll be really happy to answer your queries. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a good day.